The Fountain of Youth Elixir is a super hydrating, collagen boosting, toning and brightening moisturiser. But that's not what makes it so unique and so special. What makes the Fountain of Youth Elixir so unique and so special is that this one world exclusive formulation restores and balances all skin types. You simply adjust the dosage depending on what you need. For instance, 1 pump for oily skin, 2 pumps for normal combination skin, 3 pumps for dry skin, and then 4 pumps for problematic skin. Now, it's always small batch produced, guaranteeing the quality and the freshness of every single bottle. It's made exclusively in Australia from the highest quality ingredients found anywhere in the world. It's 100% natural, cruelty-free and vegan. Made from 4 low molecular oils, 3 activated vitamins A, C and E, and Co-Enzyme Q10. If you're looking to save time and money and slimline your skincare routine, the Fountain of Youth Elixir is a must-have for you.